Good morning, everyone. So today I'm talking to you from the Spanish Quarter, a famous area in Naples. So today we're gonna do a tour and a food tour as well. I'm gonna show you the best places and the cheapest places to eat in Naples. Oh my god, so good! The best thing in my life. So I hope you enjoy it.
Non mi vedi, fatemi girare.
This is a famous shop where they do panini. It's very famous on TikTok. It's called Con mollica o senza. This is a corner shop where they sell everything. So the first stop will be in this shop, which is called Carne at Toledo. And they do like different kind of stuff. They have pizza, they have fried potato, they have different stuff. And the prices are so good. So this is the first stop. We got pizza fritta with pomodoro and provolone, which is cheese basically. It was £3.50, which is actually £3, I think she said. It is an amazing price, like as big snack. And yeah, let me just try it. This is amazing. So the cheese is so smoky. The tomato sauce is amazing. And for €3, this is just something else. If you come to Via Toledo, you will find this shop. And you absolutely need to try this. The outside is salty, but it complements everything. Literally so good. If you come to Via Toledo, you will find so many stuff to buy. Like fake stuff. Here they sell condoms.
Is it Luigi? Say.
So many things to buy. Even if they're cheap here, you you will still spend money because everywhere that you turn around is just things to buy. This is basically the pizza, and the people are just waiting downstairs to pick it up on the basket. This place is called Crunch. The pizza's just been delivered.
Madonna, è enorme.
Obviously, they have different choices here. Yeah, they have hot dogs pizza, pizza fritta, which is fried pizza. Mi fai una pizza a portafoglio? All of this pizza for €3.50. Let's try it. Mm. So basically, it's a normal pizza, but just folded. It's so good. Like it's proper fresh.
Non ci pensare.
You can literally taste it just came out from the oven.
No, invece la schiena a me.
Mm. It's so good.
Oh, no, I didn't have. Open it full.
I'm gonna stop here quickly to buy some crocche, which is like basically potatoes. Ciao, mi dai dei crocche?
I crocchè?
Sì.
Quante ve ne servono?
Boh, 2,50 c'ho.
Uno?
Sì. Oh, it's the big one.
Prego.
Grazie. Oh, it's the big one. Ciao. This is the basically a very big potato. There's cheese as well. There is mashed potato and cheese. So good. So guys, this is Pulcinella, which is like a Naples mascot. It's just here. It's just here in the middle of the road. This area is so lively. Like if you come here, you can really experience the Naples culture. It's just amazing. And there is so much food if you're hungry. Apple's pizza, €1. So this road, basically, you take it from Via Toledo, and then you come into this road, and then at the top of the road, you will see the Maradona picture on the building. Today is the 26th of December, so it's winter, but it's not even cold. And the atmosphere is just amazing. So I will really recommend to come here. So this is the main store of Maradona. Oh, so many sweet stuff. Just opposite the Maradona. It's magical. So this place here is basically in honor of Diego Armando Maradona, which is a football player. It was a football player. This our t-shirt here, £15. Sorry, €15. People here they just hanging clothes outside. You know, people from here they are very religious. So you know, this religious tables are everywhere in Naples. They have also a tribute to Armando Maradona here. They love Armando Maradona. Look at this lemon. This is called limonata cosce aperte. It means lemonade with open legs. Because now I'll show you why. They put some water.
Allora, questa va bevuta velocemente, a cosce aperte e fuori dal balcone.
Ok.
No, devi stare vicino, non ti tira lo fai. Non scappa mica la bomba.
Wow. So guys, this one was the lemonade with the legs open. Basically, they use it as a digestive after a big meal, but I couldn't drink it because it was too freezy for me. But it's so delicious. It's like a fresh taste. Yeah, it's an experience that if you come here, you need to try it because it's a typical thing to do in Naples when you come to visit Naples. And also, it was only €3 per person. It's just everything is just so cheap here. Guys, behind me, I don't know if you can see it, but it's the active volcanoes in Naples. It's just behind me, it's just this one here. This is still active till now. So beautiful. It looks like the one that there is in Milan.
Caffè con la K.
It's called Fiocco Di Neve. You need to take the number here because there is a lot of people waiting. All the people, they're actually queuing for this place. They got here some chocolate or cafe or pistachios, £2, €2. So this is called Fiocco di Neve, and I choose the pistachio one. I'll try now and see how it is. Oh my god. I never tried something like that before in my life. It's delicious. The best thing in my life. Quanto viene a Cuoppo? This is called Cuoppo, which is basically it's just fried fish. They give you squid, they give you prawns, they give you octopus as well. So let's just try now a piece of what is this calamari? This is like fresh food, you know. This is live, guys. There is saltfish, there is prawns, calamari, octopus, everything here. Look, everything fresh from the fish market. Yeah. I paid €7 for this, but you can actually find them much cheaper, like €2.50. So even though this Cuoppo, it was a bit expensive, but the quality was amazing. It's because the it's a fish shop and all the fish there is completely fresh. So if you come here, it's basically outside the train station Monte Santo. It's like literally 2 minutes by walk. You just go down the main street and you will find it there. But it's just you need to try, guys, because the freshness of this food is just something else. So, guys, we done this tour today. We had an amazing food, an amazing day, and I hope you enjoyed as well. I will come back with you guys with a tour in Rome. So stay tuned with me. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye.